Hi all my fellow YouTubers, welcome. I'm Julie from David and Jewls Treasures, and if you're new here, we do palette unboxings. I did a little retail arbitrage the past 2 weeks because of my total knee replacement. This one was much harder, and I'm still in excruciating pain, but life must go on. So these are 2 boxes from Boutique by the Box. This one is supposed to have athletics in it. I think there's 20 pieces here, and this is the new reseller starter box. This one. So this one was on sale for $100, and then I used a code. I think it was Oh Yeah 5 from Rachel Bloomberg, I think is her last name. And then this one was $200, but because I had bought a box, they sent me a code, and I got this one for $167. I think there's 20 items in here. There might be 20 items in both. To be honest with you, when I ordered them. So remember, we still are doing the mystery giveaway box, $125 mystery giveaway box from restock.com. We're pretty close. We might be at 420. I don't know. 418 maybe? The last I looked, which is good. We're getting there. You know, it took us a little over a year to get to 420. Okay. So remember, please like, comment, and the most important, please subscribe. It's free. All you gotta do is hit that, smash that subscribe button like all of the other ones say. I've been watching Connor TV, this young kid, he's hilarious, but he does unboxings of very expensive stuff like Louis Vuitton and all that, but anyways, hilarious. He says smash that thumb button. And hit that little notification bell so you'll see when new videos are coming out. So with no further ado, let's open up this first Boutique by the Box athletic wear. Let's see. Thank you for your order. It has been inspected and triple counted. There's 20 pieces in here. Okay. Let's see what we have. They look new. Some have tags, some don't. But they don't. This is itsy bitsy, teeny weeny. But the name of it is Koral, K-O-R-A-L, made in the USA. And I have to tell you that this fabric is unbelievable. I have to look up what this fabric is, because that coral, this is like almost compared, or like just like Lululemon, the quality of this fabric. It's beautiful. All right, look at this. I know they're extra small, but this is a very cute mock neck net crop top. Very cute. Okay, white. Alright, so these look like they went on the floor for a little bit. I'm probably gonna have to throw these in the wash, but these are a extra small white yoga pant with the slit down the side. These are very nice. All of this stuff is supposed to be new with tag or new without tag. It said that, you know, some could have to be washed or whatever when you order this box. Ooh, this is cute. It's got some kind of band goes around your stomach. I don't know why they do that. The thing is cut out. I'm gonna have to measure this one for the size, and it's a little hard for me to even hold this one up. Hopefully I can get a good stock photo of this one, because it has this little band that goes around. They make it very difficult. It's like double banded, but there's a little, but you have like a little thing. See, like that. Very, very nice. I just had to look up that Corelle, the fabric, because I just... Okay. So it is 85% polyamide, 15% lycra. Life Lycra. This brand is woman-founded, woman-led, and it is made in the USA. Boutique by the box, Corelle. Alright, let's see what else we have. We have another itty-bitty, teeny-weeny. I'm assuming extra small. This one has the zip down the front, and it's shiny. It zips right there. Now, if you watch this video and you see anything, head over to my Poshmark. I don't know how much listing I'm going to be able to do. I'll try to do a few in the next couple days. But if you do see something, you can email me at davidandjewlstreasures@gmail.com. And remember, it's A-N-D, not the and sign, A-N-D. And then for jewels, it's JEWLS.com, davidandjewlstreasures.com. And you'll let me know what you're interested in, and then I can post that so you can buy it. Right now I'm just trying to get a video out, let everybody know how I'm doing, and thank you so much for all the well wishes on the videos that my husband's been doing. I greatly appreciate it. Like I said, this tough time was harder the second time around, but it didn't help any that I fell out of bed. So, we'll see if I messed anything up tomorrow. But, I'm doing a little bit better. Alright, let's go. We got 14 more pieces. This is another cute... See, the front of it, it says Corelle. Balance is the essential strength of our core. It's a racer back, but then on the side it has these cute little shiny over there. Okay, it looks like I have another one of these net ones. Let's see the sizes. This one is small and extra small. So I have small and extra small, brand new. Okay, we've got a shiny blue. This is very, very small. It's got to be like an extra small sports bra. It is. They got that shiny material. Alright. Let's see this. Oh, new tag. This is a small. And it's a long sleeve crop top, but then it has like mesh. Can you see the mesh right here? Okay. Oh, we have another white pair of the yoga pants. Let's see. Oh, these are medium. These are really nice. They're, like I said, The material is so soft, but strong and stretchy, but it doesn't feel like it's gonna rip or, I mean, like, these are good. Ooh, another pair. Oh, these are cute. But of course, they're extra small. I think when I was 10, I might have been that size. But they're very cute camo with like a paisley, white paisley print design on them. I'm sure they have a name. I'll have to look them up. Okay, what do we have here? We have a bathing suit. Or you could use it, you know, you can't, well you can, but I thought it was maybe, you know what I'm talking about, but it's all together there. It's very nice. It's like a pale pink snake skin in the front, and then it's got a low back, but it has that cute little gold strap across the back. Okay, wow. Ooh, brand new tag. These look hefty. Men's. I'll have to look these up, but when I tell you these things, these are like so well made. It's gray and black and then camo. All right. We have a a skirt with shorts. I don't know if these are the Corel because I don't see their name on them anywhere. That's a mystery. I don't know. I have to do a Google search because the logo's not on there. Oh, this is a cute one too. So it has like this other strap on the bottom too. So yeah, everything else has Corel all over it, but this one piece doesn't. But it has like stretchy bands that go around your back and then go like that. I would never be able. That's another extra small. I have a fan blowing on me because it's very, very warm in the dining room, and it's doing havoc with the hair. All right, these are Corel. They're marked. They are I say extra, extra small. Black leggings, I want to say, yeah. But they tie in the front, so maybe they're a jogger. Very small jogger. This is cute. This has the tag. It is a size small. Racer back.
No.
Very cute. This is very cute athletic wear. We have another pair of small leggings in like a rose gold color. Very nice. All right. Two more in this box. This is a small. Make sure. Oh yeah, it says Corel right there. So it is cut out up there. That's what they said too. You could get items with the tags cut out, but or cut in half, but they do that so people can't, when we buy these, because you know there's still a website. Most of this stuff is still on their website. People can't try to return them for full asking price. So, because I did look them up, and I just had to take a break for a second because this material is unreal. I had to. So now we know now that one pair of leggings, I might have the big one here, extra large. Alrighty. And they have side pockets, gold stripes, long. So the leggings are $115. The bralettes, everything, it all depends. But this athletic wear is not cheap. Not cheap at all. So, I got 20 pieces. I paid $80, free shipping. And so that would make each piece $10. Oh no, I got 20 pieces. So I'd have to sell each piece for more than $4. So I'm making my money back on this box. Definitely. Probably with one pair of leggings, I'm gonna make my money back on this box. Because I know there's people out there that know this name and know the quality. Because I went back on the website, I got lucky. Because their stuff, this Boutique by the Box, if you get an email from them, open it right away. Because they're letting you know they're dropping this, or this. And they go so fast that you don't have a chance. So I ordered this one before I checked my emails. And I was like, oh, okay. And then I checked my email and they're like, because I've been trying to get my hands on this retail seller sample kit forever now. Always sold out, always sold out. So they said, we're in stock, order now. I went right there. I was like, yes, finally, I get it. And I ordered it. Because this is all name brand, new with tag. So I didn't have to go anywhere because I couldn't. I got, stuff that's brand new with tag. I did order from ThreadUp, but I picked my own pieces there, and I got some, fall stuff coming. I do have a few fall pieces already in my closet, but I have 10 more pieces coming. Same thing I did the last surgery. This is how I have to do it. But this time I was able to get so nice. So nice. Okay, you don't need to see me folding them all up. Okay. All right, so that one was Corel 20-piece Boutique by the Box. I don't know, like I said, go over, check it out, make an account, click that little button that says notify me once new drops come, and when they notify you, go over there, because these boxes are not easy to come by. But alright, this is the reseller sample box. I paid $167 for, so say $170. So if I had 10 pieces, it would be $17. I have 20 pieces, so $9.50 each. I have to. Sorry, it took me a little bit. My brain's a little foggy. This one's filled to the brim. Some wrapped, some not wrapped. But let's see what we have here. Ooh. New tag. Madewell. Curvy kick out with magic pockets. Magic pockets. Why are the pockets magic? I do not know. And they are the boot cut. These are really nice. These are a 29 curvy kick out. Brand new tag. It's really nice. Hey, back to school for the kids. This is another new piece. This is Madewell also. It is an extra small, but it is a very cute. This feels like cotton linen blend. But let's see. I could be wrong. Better for the planet, better for its people. This is from summer of 23, so this is brand new. Brand new. Yeah, 100% cotton. This shirt is so cute. See how it ruches up the side? Or you can undo it and just tie it right there, but very, very cute for back to school, college. Okay. Ooh, these are really, ooh, these feel like linen. Oh, yeah. Oh, new tag. More Madewell. These are a size 6. Let's see the material content when these came out. All right. Linsing. Oh no. Yeah, linsing, cotton, and linen. A Lysol. Anyways, these are unbelievable. These are beautiful. Look at this, for back to school, for the office, for anything. They are wide leg all the way down. Size 6. Wondering why there's a piece of tape on them. Because I don't see anything underneath the tape. Oh, brand new. And I just want to let everybody know that's watching this video, this will be the last week of my closet clear out next week. So make a bundle you know, the summer stuff's gotta go. Make a bundle and send it, and I will give you 50% off right now on things that are older than 30 days. The newer stuff, no. I'm trying to do a closet clear out with my summer stuff. So any of the older stuff that's more than 30 days is 50% off. And if you bundle, you'll get an even better deal. Dude. All right, we do have 1-in-1 package. This is a test, our journey toward 100% plastic-free shipping. We are testing new delivery methods to protect our products during shipping without the use of plastic poly bags. Rest easy knowing you are doing your part by investing in clothing for a positive change in plastic-free packaging. Woo! Look at the name there, Prana. Oh yes, I just saw that. Look at these. Are you kidding me? These are absolutely beautiful. Retail price $109. New tag. They're a size 8. Inseam 31. These are beautiful. Look. I wouldn't call that skinny. I'd call that straight leg, not skinny. What do they call it? Standard? They call them standard. Prana jeans. Oh yes, this box is making me very, very happy. All right. Oh my gosh, what did they give me? One of each designer? This is Legence. I have a very hard time pronouncing that. Lagence. And Lindsay Nicole, please don't roast me. Legence. You say it all the time, you love them. I don't know. These are their Seda jeans. They are a size 24. Brand new. There's a tag. Look at that. They do have a little stretch in them though. And then they have the hem that's the cutoff hem. Very, very cute. These are definitely going to sell. I got to get these up for back to school. All right, what do we have here? Another Prana. What is it? It's all wrapped up nicey nice, I know. Don't unwrap it, Julie. I have to. I don't know what it is. Oh, this is nice. It's a size small. This is very, very nice. Plaid shirt, or you can wear it as a jacket. A shirt and a jacket. Mackenzie taught me that. Does have an extra button. Is 100% organic cotton. It is very, very nice. Very nice. Prana. And they match the Prana pants. That would be a very cute back to school outfit for someone. Ooh, we get stuff in plastic. See what we are. Something white. Okay. Andy. Okay. Andy. Brand new tag. Nylon spandex. Is it a bra or is it a bathing suit? I do not know, but it is small. It's white. I guess you could wear it. It's got built-in cups. cute. All right. What do we got here? Something black. This is by Andy too. Swan rib one piece. Very, very cute bathing suit. Very cute. And it's a size extra large, which is good. All right, what do we have here? The ticket says naked wardrobe. Uh-oh. All right, these look very, very big. Naked wardrobe. I don't know what that means. Is that the name of them? Because there's no tag anywhere. And these are very, very big. Very big. All right, let's see if we can try to figure this out. Oh, 2X. Maybe naked means no tag. Oh no. These are going to have to be for the yard sale because I have no idea who they are. It says naked wardrobe. Alrighty. Okay. Ooh. Ooh. This is definitely a Christmas dress for someone. Ooh wee. Well, well. It goes like this. I have the tag in the. Yeah. Like this. It. Like that. And then it's long. Green velvet. And it is new at tag. It is a size large. And is by Social Bridesmaids. And it's a very nice hunter green Christmas dress. Ooh, I see another fancy. This is a size 4. Desert Rose Stretch Charmeuse draped midi dress. And it is by After 6. I know me doing it this way does it no justice, but this is a beautiful dress. The way it has the tie in the front. To look that one up. All right. Jeans, and jeans. We got Good American. Holy mackerel, these jeans are expensive. These are a size 4. They are the indigo color. And they retail for $169. The price is right there. Oh, look how nice these are. Back to school, you get your kids some Good American jeans for a fraction of the price, brand new at tags. I'd probably list these for $75 because brand new. pair of Good Americans, size 2. Finish fit high rise with the gap-proof waistband designed to make your legs look extra long. Inseam 28. Oh, these are itsy bitsy. Oh, and they have the cut hem. But yeah. Very cute. All the Good Americans, because they have the price right on them. So I usually do 50% off. Excuse me, I dropped the bag. So, and they're $170. So I'll start them at 75. I might start them at 80 and then go from there. We'll see. I'm gonna look up and see how, because they're all different colors and designs. Another pair. Ooh. Good classic. Size 0. Can you see me? I'm out in a clothing bag. Ugh. All right. So these are, I think they're just like these, just a different size, because they have the bottom of the legs, like the cut hem. So I have size 0, size 2, and then a size 4 in a different cut. This is the, I'll look them up. Alright, so we got Madewell's, we got Prana, Good American, the 2 dresses, those are probably pretty good. The only thing is those brown sweatpants, but that's fine. That's fine. Okay, what is this? Not sure. What is in this bag? Oh, is it too... I don't know, there's like a strap in this bag. This is a cocktail length hair de sol Snow White, size 10. It is new with tag, but there's no price on this. This is by Alfred Sung, which I think might be a good name. I'm not sure. It is 100% polyester, dry clean only, do not steam. So I couldn't even steam this if I wanted to for you. But this is a very, 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 very nice dress. I am confused what these are for, but they're on there, so they must go with it. Very, very nice. Okay, so that was the sampler box, and I am ecstatic. And if I could order another one, I would right now, but again, they're sold out. So this is Boutique by the Box. I'm probably gonna order a few more from them. Hopefully I can get in touch with somebody over there to get a code for all of my subscribers. And to all of my new subscribers, thank you very much. We greatly appreciate it. And if anybody's watching that's not a subscriber, please like, comment, and subscribe. It is free. And once I'm feeling a little bit better, we are still going to try to buy a locker, storage locker. We'll probably get one more pallet before the end of the summer to do one last big yard sale. But for now, I got to take care of me. I mean, I'm doing okay. I'm up on a cane, and that's all that matters. So, once again, Boutique by the Box, Corel Athletic Wear, Madewell, Prana, the Good American, you name it was in the reseller box. If you ever have a chance to get one of these, I definitely get it. So like I said, if you saw anything and it's not listed, email me and I will get it listed immediately and I will let you know when it's going to go live. So you'll be able to get it. Okay? Once again, thank you to everyone for all of your get well wishes. It made me feel a lot better. Thank you very much to everybody that stayed to the end. That's all it is today, is 2 small unboxings. But we will be back soon with another palette. So until then, I'll see you again soon. Bye!